Hello and welcome student. So today we'll discuss algebraic expression. So in my last video I did 12.1. So we'll continue with that. So today we'll do 12.2. Okay. So our first question is given. Find the product. You have to find the product. Fine. So what we'll do in this case, we'll always first we will multiply the numerical value. 9 2s are 18 and the base is same. You see the base of x is same. If the base are same and it is having some power, then in that case what we do, we add the power. So x is the base and power, you see 2 plus 2, that will be 2 plus 2, it will become 18 x to the power 4. Okay, similarly we'll do this one. The numerical value are 2 by 3 into 8 by 3 and the coefficient are x square y cube into x to the power 5 y 6. So what we'll do, we'll multiply first the numerical value. 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9. How many x are here? 2 plus 5, that will be 7, and y 3 plus 6, that will be 9. That will be our answer. Okay, we'll do the next question. So our next question is given, find the product of the following. So the question is given 3x square y cube into minus 7x to the power 4 y to the power 5 into minus 11 x square y square. Okay, so you have to multiply. So what we'll do, first we'll multiply all the numerical value, that is 3 into minus 7 into minus 11 into x. How many x are here? We'll directly do it. How many x are here? 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. How many y? 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Now you multiply the numerical value. This will minus minus, it will become plus. It will be permanently plus. Okay. In addition or subtraction, minus minus will be plus, but minus sign will remain. But here, in case of multiplication, minus minus sign will be, you can say either cancel or minus minus will be permanently plus. Okay, so 11 7 are 77 into 3, this is 1 21 23, so it will be 231 x to the power 8 y to the power 10. Okay, so our next question is given, minus 8 by 11 x cube y square into minus 3 by 5 xy into minus 7 by 10 x square y cube. So what we'll do, first we'll multiply all the numerical value. 11 into minus 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 10, and this one you can directly do it. How many x are here? 3 plus 1 plus 2, it will be 6, and y 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3, that is 6, y to the power 6. Now we'll multiply this one. Now we'll see whether this number can be cancelled or not. So here you see you can cancel it. 2 4s are, and this will be 2 5s are. Okay, now here you see the minus sign is in odd number, so minus sign will remain. Minus minus, it will be plus, plus minus again it will be minus. So this will be 4 into 21, and here it will be 11 into 25, x cube 6 x to the power 6 y to the power 6. So if you multiply, it will be 84, and this will be 572 275 x to the power 6 y to the power 6. This will be our answer. Let me do one sub question for every question. Okay, otherwise the video will be very lengthy. Okay, for question number 3, let me do question number Roman number 3. So our next question is given, find the product of the following, and in each case verify for x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. So after multiplying all this, you have to verify left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay, so we'll do it. So first what we'll do, we'll multiply all this term. You just bring all the numerical value first. Okay, so this will be 2 by 3 into minus 3 into, how many x are here? 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. How many y? 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Okay, so now you multiply this one. Can you cancel? Yes, we can cancel this one. If you cancel it, it will become minus 1, and again this one also you can cancel, this will become 4. So in the numerator it will be 7 into minus 1, this will be minus 7, and in the denominator it will be 4 into x to the power 4 y to the power 6. So this is our answer. Okay, now you have to verify left hand side equals to right hand side. Now I will write verification. So in verification, what we will do? In the left hand side, that is the quotient, that is 7 by 8 x square y cube into 2 by 3 x y square into minus 3 xy. Okay, and after multiplying all these terms, what we got? Minus 7 by 4 x to the power 4 y to the power 6. So in the right hand side we got 7 by 4 minus 7 by 4 x to the power 4 y to the power 6. Okay, now you have to verify left hand side equals to right hand side by replacing the value of x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. Okay, so what we'll do, at x equals to 1 and y equals to 2, you have to verify the left hand side equals to right hand side. So you just replace the value of x and y. So 7 by 8 into, what is x? X is 1. Here it is given square. What is y? Y is 2 and it is given cube. Into 2 by 3 into x is 1 into y is 2. So 2 is square into minus 3 into x is 1 and y is 2. That will be the left hand side. In the right hand side also you have to replace the value. X is 1 to the power 4 into y is 2 to the power 6. Okay, now you find the value. 1 square it will be 1, 2 to the power 3 it will be 8. So we'll write 8 into 2 by 3 into 1 into 2 square is 4 into minus 3 into 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, and here it will be minus 7 by 4 into 1 to the power 4 it will be how much? It will be 1 only. Into 2 to the power 6 it will be how much? It will be 64. You see here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Here also it will be 8. 8 is 64. So 2 to the power 6 it will be 64. Correct? Now we will see whether we can cancel any of this number. You can cancel 8, 8. Is there any more number? You can cancel this one and this one. This will become minus 1. So we will find what is in the numerator. 7 into 2 into 4 into minus 1 into 2. Here, can you cancel? You can cancel it. 4, 16 are 64, right? So minus 7 into 16. Now if you multiply 7 to the 14, 14 and 4 to the 8, it will be how much? 2, this will be 11. So here minus sign is there, so minus 1, 1, 2. In the right hand side also, 7, 6 are 42, 7 on the 7 plus 4, 11. Sign is minus. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So you can write hence verified. Okay, so this is how you have to verify this equation. So we move to the next question. So our next question is given, express the following product as monomial. So how many terms are given? 4 terms are given. So you have to multiply those terms. So what do you do? First you will multiply all the numerical value. So 3 by 4 into minus 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 5 by 6 into x. Okay, all the literal value are x and y. So it is easy to find it. So how many x? 1 plus 2, this is 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. And y? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Y is also 7. Now we'll see whether we can cancel any of this number. 4, 4 we can cancel, and 3, 2s are 6, 2, 2 cancel, minus 1 will remain. Okay, is there any more number? 5, 5 we can cancel, So what will remain? Minus 1 by 3 x to the power 7 y to the power 7. Okay, this will be our required answer. So our next question is given, find the numerical coefficient in the product of 18xy, xyz, 7xy and 34x square y. You have to find only the coefficient. Okay, so first we will multiply it, 18xyz into 7xy into 34x square y. So what we'll do? We'll first multiply the numerical value, 18 into 7 into 34. How many x are here? 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. How many y? 1, 2, 3. And how many z? Only 1 z. So you have to multiply all these terms. So if you multiply, how much you will get? So if you multiply all this numerical value, you will get how much? 4284. Okay, so 4284 x to the power 4 y to the power 3 and z. What will be the coefficient of this term? This one. For the coefficient is 4284. Okay, so here our next question is given, find the literal part in the product. So these are the term you have to multiply and you find the literal part. So now first we will see whether you can cancel the numerical part. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, let me bring all together, 81 by 10 into minus 3 by 5 into 4 by 3 to 3 by 2 into, how many x are here? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. How many y? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. How many z? 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, so just multiply, check it whether you can cancel it or not. You can cancel this one, this will be 2, this will be 5. Okay, so if you multiply, how much you will get? Minus minus it will become plus. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4, 8 are 24. Sign will be minus. 5 5s are 25, and this will be x to the power 6, y to the power 7 and z to the power 8. So what will be the literal value? The literal value will be x to the power 6, y to the power 7 and z to the power 8. So our next question is given, multiply 36a plus 7 by 7a. This is important. Okay, so you have to multiply this binomial by this monomial. So what we'll do, first we'll write down the monomial, into 36a plus 7. This is binomial, so you have to multiply both the terms by 7a. So I put them in the bracket. Now you multiply one by one. First you multiply 7a into 36a. What sign is there? Plus. So you'll put plus. Next again you have to multiply this one with this. First you multiply this one with this, then next is 7a into 7. So if you multiply 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 7 3 are 21, 21 plus 4 25. A into a, it will be a square plus 7 7s are 49 into a. This will be a. So that will be our answer. We'll do the next question. So next question, Roman number 3. You have to multiply 2x square minus 2x by 3x. So first you write down 3x into 2x square minus twice x. So you multiply one by one. First you multiply this one with this, 3x into 2x square. What sign is here? Minus. So you put minus again, 3x into 2x. 3 2s are 6. X, how many x are here? 1 plus 2. This will be 3. X to the power 3 minus 3 2s are 6. X into x, x square. That will be our answer. Okay, we'll do the next question. Our next question is again, find the product of 3xy and minus 3 by 5x square y plus 4 by 5x. This is similar to the last question. So we'll do, so you have to multiply 3 by 7xy into the first term. Okay, you write down like this, plus 4 by 5x. Okay, Now you have to multiply one by one. First you multiply this one with this, 3 by 7 xy into minus 3 by 5 x square y. What sign is there? Plus. Again you have to multiply this one with this, 3 by 7 xy into 4 by 5 x. Okay, so let me do it directly. 3 3s are 9. What sign is there? Minus. So minus sign will be there. 7 5s are 35. How many x? It will be 1 plus 2, that will be 3. How many y? Y into y, y square. Plus 3 4s are 12, 7 5s are 35. How many x? X into x, x square, y is. Okay, so this will be our answer. So next I am doing directly question number 10, and that will be the last question of exercise 12.2. Okay, so here it is given simplify. You have to simplify this expression. So what you will do? Similar to the previous question, first you have to multiply this one with this and this one with this. So p square into p minus, again you have to multiply 10p square into 1 plus 8p into p plus 8p into 3. Again 8 plus p into 8p minus p into 3. Okay, now we'll multiply. So how many p are there? 2 plus 1, that will be 3, minus 10 into 1 is 10, and this will be p square, plus 8 into p, this will be p square, plus 8 3s are 24, and this will be p, plus this will be how much? 8 p into p is p square, minus this will be 3p. Okay, now we'll see, is there any like terms among all this? Yes, so we'll bring all together. So 10p cube, there is no like term similar to this, but there is like term. But in the second case, they are the like terms. So minus plus minus 10 minus 8 is 2. So 2p square. What will be the sign? The sign will be minus. Again 8p is there, so plus 8p square we bring together. What is left? 24p, and the last one is 3p. Okay, so this will be 10p cube plus minus, it will be minus 8 minus 2 is 6p square. What is the greater sign? That will be plus, and this is 24 minus 3 is 21p, sign will be plus. So that's all from this exercise. I hope you understand all the questions. So go through all those questions which I did not do. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching.